one of the new exhibitors here, SlingShot, Kinetic energy ropes, and what does that even mean? Actually, we're going to have Jacob telling us about their product and how awesome it is. It was enough to get my attention. So if you're ever out anywhere, not just for the Handyman, but the Sportsman as well, you're stuck, you need to get a pull, here's a solution for you.
Right, so what we're doing is taking the kinetic energy from the pulling vehicle and efficiently transferring it to the stuck vehicle. So how we're doing that is we got a double plate nylon rope, and it'll actually stretch up to 30%. So if you use like a chain or a cable, you get that nasty jerk, that's actually wasted energy. So what we're doing is creating a rope that stretches to help transfer the energy to the stuck vehicle. Our website, slingshotrope.com. We sell on Amazon. We also got an e-commerce site, so you can buy it right online.